Okay, Amazon sellers, you're fearful about deactivation. I'm going to talk to you today about how to win design patent reactivations. Okay, so this is Declan Levine. He is a brilliant member of our team. I mean, like, absolutely rocket science smart. Got 165 on his LSATs without even studying. He's going back because he wants to get a 170. And so the first appeal that we wrote for this deactivated Amazon seller did not obtain reinstatement. So we went back to the presses, we dug in deeper, and we wrote to Amazon what we call a non-infringement letter. There was an accusation of violating a design patent, and if you don't know what a design patent is, as soon as this video is over, go to this video over here to learn what a design patent is and the difference between a design patent and a utility patent. So what did Declan do? Declan, who is supervised by my partner Rob Siegel, wrote a detailed patent analysis. Rob went through it with a fine-tooth comb and it literally explained to Amazon staff, made it simple enough for Amazon staff over in India to realize that there was no infringement at all. Wasn't even close, not even in the same ballpark. So by hiring us, by having brilliant paralegals, by having lawyers supervising everything that gets done, this Amazon seller is now back to selling the same exact product that was subjected to this design patent complaint. So Declan Levine, congratulations. My awesome partner Rob, congratulations. Our whole team here, you guys rock. And to you Amazon sellers who learn from these videos every single day, this is what the takeaway is. Number one, you don't bring a knife to a gunfight, okay? If you're accused of violating someone's design patent, you have to use a lawyer who knows patent law, who knows intellectual property law, and also knows Amazon. And that's what we do around here. Number two, there are always multiple ways to skin the cat on Amazon. So you get over obstacles every day. When it comes to getting the reactivation of your accounts, the reactivation of your listings, that's what we do every day. And if you need help, contact us in any one of these 4 ways.